Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, tips and tricks about battery and how to stop overheating, how to improve lifespan of your battery and boost performance of your Android phone battery. Consider to stay tuned to this video and see important settings you need to turn on right now, most especially if you play game a lot on your Android phone or you watch movies a lot on your Android phone while plug your phone to the socket without any stress. Let me show you important settings you need to turn on right now to protect overheating and boost the lifespan of your battery on Android. So let's get started. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down all the way down until you get to battery and power saving. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to take you right here. Then go ahead and navigate to charge right here. Click on charge. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for bypass charging right here. So go ahead and click on that. And it's going to take you right here. Now here, when your phone is connected to the original charger during gaming or video playback, the power supply will bypass the battery to power the phone directly, helping to prevent overheating and extend battery lifespan. All you have to do right here is to go ahead and click on enable bypass charging. So go ahead and click on that and you are done. With that, each time you are playing gaming or you are watching movies on your phone and you find out that your battery is low and you connect to the direct charger, with that, the charging will be automatically direct straight to the phone and then leave the battery safe. You can see the illustration right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.